Hey everyone, this is Jake Burns with the Bigger Better Biz channel, and I have a really quick one here for you today. We're going to go over the social media aspects in Constant Contact. Yep, so Constant Contact actually is a full social program in there where you can work on your LinkedIn, you can add posts to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all in one place. Plus it pulls in posts so you can see what's happening and start commenting and things like that. So to get started, it's really simple. All you have to do is log into Constant Contact. Go to the social tab and then connect your accounts. You're going to connect, choose which accounts you want to connect, and I'm just going to select Facebook as an example, and it's going to ask me for some information, and that's it. I can select one of the profiles that I have that I'm associated with, and once you do that, you're going to be able to see everything that's happening in your Facebook profile for the given site, and you're also going to be able to then push posts out for that property. All right, now we have Facebook connected, right? So let's go to our inbox and we can start posting. All you do is go to create, do a social post, select the profile you want to, and then type in your post. Add a link if you want to add a link, and then add an image as well. Once you do that, you can schedule it for later. You can choose any future date. As an example, so when you're sending an email out, you would wait till, I'd say, like a half an hour after you send the email to make sure that the email posts and the link is live, because Constant Contact usually takes 5 or 10 minutes after an email is sent for that link that you get for Constant Contact to actually go live. So it's a good tip. And then you pick a time, and then all you have to do is click schedule post. I guess I should pick a day in the future, huh? And you can schedule that post. Now, if I wait a couple of days, this is going to post out to the given page that I selected. You can add multiple integrations, and you can add all of them at one shot for one post. I hope this helps. It's a quick tip, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.